A weed whacker can cut weeds and tall grass in hard-to-reach areas along sidewalks, fencing, shrubs, and ground cover, a must-do on the checklist of seasonal landscape maintenance. There are many products available to choose weed whackers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best weed whackers from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ego Power Plus ST1521S 15-inch String Trimmer. The Ego Power Plus 15-inch string trimmer is our choice for the best weed whacker. Manually replacing a string line on a weed whacker can be an arduous task, but this model has a feature that winds the trimmer automatically. All you have to do is feed the line into the trimmer's head and press a button. It features a large 15 inches cutting width to cover more area as well as variable speed control, so you can customize your weed whacking experience to your lawn's needs. In addition, it has a brushless motor, which is known to extend motor life as well as provide a longer running time than other cordless models. The company also provides a lifetime warranty, so you're guaranteed a strong, durable, and efficient yard work tool that will last forever. Number 2. Greenworks 5.5 amp 15-corded electric string trimmer. For residential use on a smaller sized lawn, you don't need to shell out hundreds on a high-end weed whacker when a budget option, like this 5.5 amp string trimmer from Greenworks, will clean up your yard easily and effectively in very little time. This unit has a rotating and pivoting head that can be adjusted to 4 different positions for getting into every hard-to-reach corner of your yard and provide a nice clean line along landscape edging. This unit has a rotating and pivoting head that can be adjusted to 4 different positions for getting into every hard-to-reach corner of your yard and provide a nice clean line along landscape edging. Number 3. Echo 21 2cc Straight Shaft Trimmer. Since this tool is gas-powered, it is ideal for use on larger properties. The anti-vibration design, along with its fairly low weight of just 11.5 pounds, allows you to use it for longer without getting tired. The gas tank is see-through, so you can easily see when it's running low on fuel. There's also a shield to protect you from flying lawn debris. It has a long 59 inches shaft that provides extra reach for hard-to-access places, and the exhaust blows towards the back, which means it can be used comfortably by both left and right-handed users. Though it has a bump feed system, the bump required is more like a tap, which means you don't have to worry about breaking the tool every time you want to advance the line. Number 4. Works GT Revolution 20V12 String Trimmer. Its 90-degree pivoting head allows you to get into your lawn's nooks and crannies easier, and it has an adjustable ergonomic handle that can change between 7 positions for maximum comfort and easy handling. This machine is impressively strong and can run long enough to trim 10 feet of lawn edges. Keep in mind, though, that the wheels do not swivel, which may make it harder to edge along a curved path. Automatic feeds often mean that the line runs out quite quickly, but one of the best things about Works trimmers is that the company provides free spools for life if you run out. All you have to do is pay for postage and processing. Number 5. Makita XRU15 PT36VLXT Brushless String Trimmer. The best weed whackers for large yards are easy to use for long periods, and the Makita XRU15 PT String Trimmer has numerous features to make longevity a priority. Its two 18-volt batteries not only increase the power to 36 volts overall, they allow the trimmer to run up to an hour and a half. Lightweight at only 10.4 pounds, it's easy to maneuver and hold for long periods. The dual string head has a bump feed system, and it has a reverse button so that with just a quick tap, you momentarily reverse the strings to jostle and unstick debris. These features help you keep on trimming without interruption. If you're needing to weed whack large areas in the yard, rather than just do a lot of trimming, you may want to choose one of the models with a larger cutting width. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.